Getting ready in the morning can sometimes feel like a chore, so I make sure I start with comfortable underwear. Sloggy Zero Feels underwear makes me feel like I have nothing on, like it's my second skin. And no matter what makeup I choose to do that day, or what outfit I decide on, my main focus is comfort. There's nothing more annoying than being out with your friends and constantly thinking about how uncomfortable those heels are, or that you'll need to top up that lipstick after that meal. Well, today I didn't want to worry about those things. And as a woman, I'm sure some of you might agree that one of the most satisfying feelings after a long day is when that bra comes off. And you just feel free, like you can do anything. Well, I want to feel like that all day, so I can enjoy each moment instead of counting down the minutes until I'm at home and my bra's on the floor. Unfasten in life, not just with your bra. But before my weekend could begin, it was time to decide what to wear. I'm not sure about this one. Well, at least the Snow Frills bra is seam-free, so it should make life easier. Yep, I think this one will do. It's nice and bright. You can stop worrying about your stretch marks now. And time to get those dreaded jeans on. Let's hope I can get them past my bum. Yeah, it was alright this time. And now it's time to beat my boyfriend at bowling. Okay, so I lost. But hey, today was about unfastening in life, letting go and being carefree. Not spending time worrying about the things that don't matter. And of course, it was about getting some ice cream. It's not a fun weekend otherwise. I love feeling comfortable in my own skin and knowing my clothes aren't going to restrict my day-to-day activities. It makes more time for those spontaneous moments in life. Women, it's time to stop putting yourself through moments of discomfort and put yourself at ease. So let's ditch the uncomfortable bras and the tight jeans that don't let you enjoy a meal. Spend less time worrying about how we look and feeding our insecurities, and leave more time to laugh, dance, and even lose at bowling. Whatever you choose to do, eat what you want, wear what you want, and do you. It's the only way I feel truly empowered. So unfasten at the start of your day, and not at the end.